What if I tell you there's a place just 4 hours from Bangalore where you get free safari, mountain views that look straight out of Switzerland? Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my very first vlog. Today I'm taking you to a place that's called the Switzerland of Karnataka, that is Sakleshpur. A 2 days escape with my family at Hong Son Resort. We woke up at 5, offered Fajr Salah and hit the road by 8 am sharp. We were 5 members traveling, mom, dad, elder sister Jiju and myself. And you know what? Road trips with parents mean a big bag of snacks, fruits, raw mango, cucumbers. Comment below if your family does this too. We stopped at this restaurant for breakfast, not sponsored, but the food was hot, fresh, honestly very delicious. Dosa, idli, vada, sambar, chutney, and of course kesari bath is mandatory. Everything was perfect. We also had set dosa. Unpopular opinion, I don't like set dosa. Do you like it? Please tell me I'm not only the one. After having it, we clicked some pictures, sipped coffee, chai, juice, and we continued the drive. Till Sakleshpur, the roads were smooth, wide, green, and calm. But once we entered the resort lane, the roads became narrow, rocky, and a little adventurous, but honestly, that made it more fun. We finally reached Hong Son Resort around 12 pm, and the moment we entered, instant peace, greenery everywhere, fresh air, total calmness. They welcomed us with a refreshing welcome drink and a warm traditional gesture. Honestly, so sweet of them. Let me show you the resort. Look at these green lawns, a clear pool, birds are chirping. This is exactly what we needed. They gave us a guidance sheet with all the details, all the activities, everything clearly laid out. Pause here if you want to read it. While our room was being prepared, we quickly offered salah and then headed straight for lunch. Salads, corn soup, gobi, rice, dal, chicken, paneer, vegetarian options, non-vegetarian options. They covered every option. And yes, there is a room tour coming, but that's at the end of this vlog. So stay with me till the end. Trust me, it's worth the wait. After lunch, we walked around the fishing pond and met these cute, adorable little ducks. Took some family pictures. We were all twinning with white and black. Then it was pool time, family moments, laughter, splashes, a perfect afternoon. Around 5 pm, we got ready for high tea. Hot chai, coffee, mirchi pakoras that were crispy and amazing. And then the sunset happened. The sky turned soft pink and orange. I was obsessed with these tiny little purple flowers. Everything just felt calm, peaceful, and very beautiful. And there is truly nothing better in this world than seeing your parents genuinely happy and relaxed. Mashallah, this is the best feeling. We walked into the indoor activities. We played table tennis, carom board, swing. Everyone found their vibe. By 6:45 pm, the bonfire was lit. Cold weather, warm fire, perfect evening energy. There we also played badminton because I absolutely loved the game. Dinner was ready by 8 pm. Tomato soup with breadcrumbs, rice, curries, malai chicken, pepper chicken, salads, sweets. After having yummy dinner, there were fireworks at the resort, completely unexpected and very beautiful. Walking back to our villa at night was a different experience. The whole resort glowed softly in the dark, so peaceful. Day 2, we woke up at 5:30 am, offered Fajr Salah, and headed straight for the morning safari. The morning here hits different. Cold, fresh, earthy. The air felt so clean compared to Bangalore. We chose the open jeep safari. My sister and Jiju on one side, me, mom, dad on the other side. Such a fun experience. The roads were narrow, steep, and wild. The drivers handled it perfectly. They were pros. They took us for 3 different locations. They covered around 80 kilometers ride, 2 viewpoints, and 1 waterfall. For the first viewpoint, we had to climb a bit, a mini trekking kind of. The path was uneven, but totally manageable. When we reached the top, fog everywhere, quiet mountains, the sun slowly rising. The camera is not doing justice to what we actually saw. It was breathtaking. There's also a new viewpoint being built here. We clicked some pictures, videos, and moved to the second spot. This one was easier. The jeep takes you right to the top. Wide mountain views, green everywhere, soft clouds. We took so many pictures here. And then the third spot was a beautiful waterfall. But the path going down to the waterfall, steep and slippery, very tiny, but we made it. Just look at this view. The water was ice cold and so refreshing, completely worth the climb down. We came back to the resort and had breakfast. Fresh dosa, chutney, fruits, boiled eggs, bread, jam, upma, and kesari bhat. We had also planned a shoot for our brand, Zehra, which came out perfectly beautiful. I'll be uploading the videos on Instagram. So make sure to follow us on Instagram for latest and behind the scene updates. And it's finally time to show you the luxury villa. The moment you walk in, there's this beautiful mirror, clean interiors, warm, calm lightings, the kind of place that just feels comforting. The balcony. Wow. It opens straight into a view you can stare at for hours. My parents enjoying the calmness. There's even a separate getting ready area. The bathroom is so well designed, and yes, it has a jacuzzi. Every little detail in this villa just makes the stay feel special. The whole vibe is like living inside a forest. Greenery everywhere, fresh air, peaceful silence, just nature wrapping around you. We absolutely loved it. It's truly a must visit resort. My sister and Jiju added their own little spark to this trip. Jokes, random conversations. My Jiju was official cameraman, taking picture, proper family moments. We checked out and started our journey back to Bangalore. On the way, we stopped for sugarcane juice. Super fresh, hygienic, and so good. Later, we had lunch in Kunigal, Tita biryani, and more. No clips because your girl was hungry and forgot to film. We ended the trip with Kulad Chai and then headed back home. So this was my first ever vlog from Hong Song Resort, Sakleshpur. A peaceful getaway, a much needed break, quality time with my small family. If you enjoyed watching our journey, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.